Good morning, dear students. So, we will go for the problems on issue of shares at par. Yesterday, I solved one problem. Okay. Yesterday, I have written one problem on the board. You people have written. Okay. Now, today, so in the question bank. Okay. Page number 85. Page number 85, problem number 10. Page number 85, problem number 2. I am sorry. Pass X company limited. This one. Okay. This problem. So, in the question bank, page number it's 85, problem number 2. Okay. Just I will read out that problem. X company limited issued 10,000 share. Okay. 10,000 shares are issued. 10,000 shares are issued at 100 each. 100 rupees is per share. 100 rupees per share. Okay. The amount payable 10 on application. Rupees 10 on application. Just I am briefing about the problem. 40 on allotment. 40 on allotment. And rupees 50 on first and final call. Rupees 50 on first and final call. Okay. 50 plus 40, 40 plus 50 plus 40, 90, 90 plus 10, 100. Okay. 100 rupees. All the money was duly received. Okay. Except the first and final call 2,000 share. Okay. So, 2,000 share money is not received. 2,000 shares calls in arrears. 2,000 shares calls in arrears. Okay. 2,000 shares except this installment. First and final call not received. Okay. The directors forfeited these shares and reissued at 80 per share as fully paid up. Okay. So, reissue price is 80 rupees. Reissue price is 80 rupees. So, this is about a page number 85, problem number 2 in your question bank. Okay. So, what you have to write in your notebook. So, what you have to do? You have to write problem number 2. Because yesterday last class one problem. So, there you have to write page number 85, question number or problem number 2. So, this is your reference. Problem number 2, page number 85, question number 2. Okay. So, after writing that, journal entries in the books of after writing that, answers. Okay. Journal entries in the books of journal entries in the books of company name is X company limited. Journal entries in the books of X company limited. Okay. Of course, date, particulars, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. Date, particulars, LF, ledger folio, debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay. So, write this. Okay. We will start problem on that. Okay. First journal entry, when application money received, journal entry number 1, bank account debited to share application account. Bank account debited to share application account. Okay. So, how many shares are issued? 10,000 share. You can write it in your pencil there. 10,000 share. So, application money is 10 rupee. So, 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh. 10,000 into 10, 1 lakh rupees debit and 1 lakh rupees credit. Okay. So, first journal entry, bank account debited to share application account, 1 lakh debit, 1 lakh credit. Narration being share application money received on being share application money received on 10,000 shares 10,000 share at rupees 2 each. 10,000 share at rupees 2 each, 20 each, I am sorry, at rupees 10 each, I am sorry, at rupees 10 each. 10,000 shares at rupees 10 each. Close the bracket and close the particulars column. Close the particulars column. Okay. So go to the second one. Second one. So application money should be transferred to share capital account. Share application account debit. Share application account debit to share capital account. Share application account debited to share capital account. Of course, 1 lakh rupees, 1 lakh debit and 1 lakh credit. 1 lakh rupees debit and 1 lakh rupees full. 1 lakh rupees is transferred. Share application account debited to share capital account. Share application account debited to share capital account. Narration being share application money transferred to share application money transferred to share capital account. Share application money transferred to share capital account. Share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay. Close. After narration, close the particulars column. You can leave one line. You can leave one line. Next, journal entry number 3, share allotment money due, share allotment money due, share allotment account debit, share allotment account debited to share capital account, share allotment account debited to share capital account, share allotment account debited to share capital account. Okay. So 10,000 shares into 40 rupees is allotment, 40 rupees is allotment, 40 rupees. Okay. So 4 lakh debit and 4 lakh credit, 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit. Share allotment account debited to share capital account. Being share allotment money due on, being share allotment money due on, share allotment money due on 10,000 shares, 10,000 shares at rupees 40 each, 10,000 shares at rupees 40 each, 10,000 shares at rupees 40 each. Close the bracket and close the particulars column. Close the particulars column. Okay. Journal entry number 4. Journal entry number 4. So when money is received on allotment, bank account debit, bank account debited to share allotment account, bank account debited to share allotment account. Full amount is received, full 10,000 is received. So 4 lakh rupees is received, full 4 lakh rupees is received. 10,000 into 40, full is received. Okay. There is no calls in arrears in allotment. Okay. Bank account debited to share allotment account, bank account debited to share allotment account, 4 lakh is received. Being share allotment money received, being share allotment money received, being share allotment money received. Okay. Next, close the particulars column. Next, number 5, first and final call money due, first and final call money due. So journal entry, share first and final call account debit, share first and final call account debited to share capital account, to share capital account. Share first and final call account debited to share capital account. So first and final call 50 rupees. So 10,000 into 50, 10,000 into 50, that comes to 5 lakh. 5 lakh debit, 5 lakh credit, 5 lakh rupees debit, 5 lakh rupees credit. Share first and final call account debited to share capital account. 5 lakh debit, 5 lakh credit. Narration being share first and final call, share first and final call money due on, share first and final call money due on 10,000 shares 10,000 shares at rupees 50 each, at rupees 50 each, at rupees 50 each, close the bracket and close the particulars column, close the bracket and close the particulars column. Okay. Journal entry number 6, journal entry number 6, bank account debit to share first and final call account, bank account debited to share first and final call account, bank account debited to share first and final call account. So, see in your problem, see there in your problem, except 2,000 shares. Okay. So, 2,000 shares not received on final call. Okay. Out of 10,000, 2,000 is not received means 8,000. Okay. You can write first narration being share first and final call, money received on 18,000 shares, 18,000 shares at rupees 50 each, 18,000 shares at rupees 50 each, 18,000 share at rupees 50 each. Okay. So, here that is what, here 18,000 into 50, 18,000 into 50. Okay. So, 18,000 into 50, it comes to 9 lakh. Sorry, it is not 18,000, sorry, it is 8,000 into 50, 8,000 into 50, 4 lakh, 8,000 into 50, 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit, 4 lakh debit, 4 lakh credit, being share first and final call money received on 8,000 shares at rupees 50 each. It is not 18,000, sorry, it is 8,000 shares, 8,000 shares at rupees 50 each, 4 lakh debit and 4 lakh credit. Okay. So, 6 entries over. This is called issue journal entry, issue journal entry. Okay. Journal entry number 7, journal entry number 7, journal entry number 7. What is the journal entry number 7? So, journal entry number 7, it is nothing but forfeiture journal entry, forfeiture journal entry. Okay. See in your question paper, question bank. So, 2,000 shares, the directors forfeited these shares. Okay. Directors forfeited these shares. How many shares? 2,000 shares is cancelled. Okay. 2,000 shares is cancelled. Why it is cancelled? Because of first and final call money which is not received, that is 50 rupees is not received. That means application and allotment totally 50 is received. Application 10 rupee, allotment 40. So, totally 50 rupees is received and this is not received, not paid. Okay. Now, we have to cancel 2,000 share. Now, we have to cancel 2,000 shares. So, forfeiture journal entry, forfeiture journal entry, share capital account debit, share capital account debit, share capital account debit, 2,000 shares is cancelled, face value 100, face value 100. Okay. 2,000 into 100, 2,000 into 100, 2 lakh, 2,000 shares is cancelled, 2,000 into 100, 2 lakh. 2, the money which is received, the money which is received on forfeiture will be transferred to one account, 2 forfeited shares account, 2 forfeited shares account, 2,000 shares into how much is received, 50 rupees is received, 1 lakh, 2,000 into 50, 1 lakh. Which installment is not received? 2, share first and final call account, 2 share first and final call account, 2 share first and final call account, 2,000 shares into first and final call is 50 rupees, first and final call 50. So, 2,000 into 50, 1 lakh. 2,000 into 50, 1 lakh. Check it, debit is equal to credit, 2 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay. So, this is about forfeiture journal entry. Narration, being forfeiture of 2,000 share, forfeiture of 2000 shares for non-payment of forfeiture of 2000 shares for non-payment of first and final call money. Non-payment of first and final call money. Non-payment of first and final call money. Okay, close the bracket, close the particulars column. So that is the journal entry number 7 for forfeiture journal entry. Okay, next see in the question paper, question bank, and reissued at rupees 80 per share. Okay, these shares company decided to issue for 80. 100 rupees shares are issued for 80 means 20 rupees, that is called discount. Reissue discount. This is called a reissue discount. Okay, as I already told you, this 20 rupee will be transferred to one account, that is called forfeited shares account. Okay, now journal entry number 8, journal entry number 8, that is reissue journal entry. So reissue journal entry will go like this: bank account debit, bank account debit. How many shares are issuing? 2000. So what is the reissue price? 80 rupees. Reissue price 80 rupees. 2000 into 80, 1,60,000. 2000 into 80, 1,60,000. Bank account debit. How much reissue discount? 20. The 20 rupee will be transferred to one account. Here forfeited shares account debit. Forfeited shares account debit. 2000 into 20. 20 rupees is the reissue discount. 40,000. 2 share capital account. 2 share capital account. 2 lakh. Add this to and write it 2 lakh. Otherwise 2000 into 100. 2000 into 100. This is reissue journal entry. Bank account debit 1,60,000, forfeited shares account 40,000, and 2 share capital account 2 lakh. Narration being 2000 forfeited shares were reissued. 2000 forfeited shares were reissued. WERE were reissued at rupees 80 per share. At rupees 80 per share as fully paid up. 80 per share as fully paid up. 80 per share as fully paid up. Close the bracket and close the particulars column. Close the particulars column. Okay. Journal entry number 9. Journal entry number 9. Forfeited shares account. Here credit 1 lakh rupees is there. Okay. Credit 1 lakh rupees is here. Forfeited shares account debit 40,000 is there. Okay. Credit is 1 lakh, debit is 40,000. So the difference amount is 60,000 will be transferred to capital reserve. So journal entry number 9, forfeited shares account debit, forfeited shares account debited to capital reserve account, forfeited shares account debited to capital reserve account, 60,000 debit, 60,000 credit, 60,000 debit and 60,000 credit. Narration being credit balance of forfeited shares account, credit balance of forfeited shares account transferred to capital reserve, transferred to capital reserve account, transferred to capital reserve account, transferred to capital reserve account. Okay. So this is about 9 journal entries. You have to pass for 12 marks. 9 journal entry you have to pass for 12 marks. Okay. So let us solve one more problem. Okay. Moving on to the next problem. Page number 86. Page number 86. Problem number 4. Page number 86. Problem number 4. Problems on under subscription is there. Problems on under subscription. Okay. Just I'll read out that problem. I'll read out that problem. So what you have to write in your notebook. Problem number 3. Here page number 86, question number 4. This is your reference. Problem number 3, page number 86, question number 4. Okay. So I'll read out the problem. A company limited has registered a capital of rupees 5 lakh. Okay, registered registered is 5 lakh. Okay, divided into equity shares of 10 each. That means when you divide face value 10, okay, so you are getting 50,000 shares. You are getting 50,000 shares. Okay, that means 50,000 shares is registered. 50,000 shares is registered. Capital divided by face value, you are going to get number of shares. Okay, so 50,000 shares is registered, that you keep it in your mind. 5 lakh divided by 10, so 50,000 shares is registered. Out of that, 40,000 shares were issued to the public. Okay, out of 50,000, company decided to issue only 40,000 shares. Okay, so you have to pass journal entry for 40,000 shares. Okay, then the amount is payable 2 on application. Okay, 2 rupees on application. Next, 5 rupees on allotment, 3 rupees on first and final call. Okay, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 3, 10 rupees. All the shares were subscribed. All the shares were subscribed and the money was duly received, except the first and final call 2,000 shares. Okay, last installment 2,000 shares is not received. First and final call. First and final call 2,000 shares is not received. These shares were forfeited and reissued at rupees 8 per share. Okay, so 8 rupees it was issued as fully paid up. Okay, so pass the journal entries in the books of A Company Limited. Pass journal entries in the books of A Company Limited. This is about the problem, but issued how much? 40,000. Okay, so 40,000 you have to pass journal entries. Okay, yes, journal entries in the books of journal entries in the books of journal entries in the books of A Company Limited. Journal entries in the books of A Company Limited. Date, particulars, LF, debit, rupees, credit, rupees. So, number of shares issued 40,000, number of shares issued 40,000, 10 rupee. Application is rupees 2, allotment 5 and first and final call 3. First and final call 3. Okay, so first, okay, you start the journal entry. You are going to start journal entry, but be careful, here equity is given, keep it that in your mind. Equity is given, wherever you are going to write, you have to add a word equity. You have to add a word equity. Okay, so first journal entry. First journal entry, when application money received, bank account debited to equity share application account. Bank account debited to equity share application account. Bank account debited to equity share application account. 40,000 shares into 2 rupees. 40,000 shares into 2 rupees, it comes to 80,000. 80,000 debit and 80,000 credit. 40,000 into 2, 80,000 debit, 80,000 credit. Okay, narration being share application money received on 40,000 equity share. Share application money received on 40,000 equity share at rupees 2 each. At rupees 2 each. Close the bracket. Close the particulars column. Close the bracket and close the particulars column. Okay, so this application money should be transferred to equity share capital account. So journal entry number 2. Journal entry number 2, equity share application account debit, equity share application account debit to equity share capital account. Equity share application account debited to equity share capital account. Of course, 80,000 debit and 80,000 credit. 80,000 is transferred, so 80,000 debit and 80,000 credit. Narration being being share application money transfer to equity share capital account. Share application money transfer to equity share capital account. Share application money transfer to equity share capital account. Close the second journal entry. Close the second journal entry. Okay. Next, come to allotment money due. Next, journal entry number 3, allotment money due. Equity share allotment account debit. Equity share allotment account debit to equity share capital account. Equity share allotment account debited to equity share capital account. 40,000 into 5 rupees. 40,000 into 5 rupees. So 5 4s are 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh credit. 2 lakh debit and 2 lakh credit. Being share allotment money due on. Share allotment money due on. Share allotment money due on 40,000 equity share. 40,000 equity share at rupees. 40,000 equity share at rupees 5 each. 40,000 equity share at rupees 5 each. 40,000 equity share at rupees 5 each. Close. Journal entry number 3. Close. Journal entry number 4. Journal entry number 4. Allotment money received. Allotment money received. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Bank account debited to equity share allotment account. Bank account debited to equity share allotment account. Full money is received. 2 lakh rupees is received. There is no calls in arrears. There is no calls in arrears. 2 lakh rupees is received. Bank account debited to equity share allotment account. 2 lakh debit, 2 lakh rupees credit. Narration being share allotment money received. Share allotment money received. Close. Being share allotment money received. Close the bracket, close the particulars column. Next, journal entry number 5. Journal entry number 5. First and final call money due. Share first and final call. Share first and final call account debited to share capital account. Share first and final call account debited to share capital account. Share first and final call account debited to share capital account. 40,000 shares into 3. 40,000 into 3. 1,20,000. 1,20,000. 40,000 into 3. 1,20,000 debit and 1,20,000 credit. Narration being share first and final call money due on. Share first and final call money due on. Share first and final call money due on 40,000 equity shares. 40,000 equity share. 40,000 equity share at rupees 3 each. 40,000 equity share at rupees 3 each. 40,000 equity share at rupees 3 each. Okay, close the bracket. Close the bracket. Journal entry number 6. Journal entry number 6. Money received. Bank account debit. Bank account debit to equity share first and final call account. Bank account debited to equity share first and final call account. bank account debited to equity share first and final call account. Okay. See their problem, all the shares were subscribed and money duly received except 2000 share. Okay. Except out of 40,000, 2000 shares is not received, means 38,000 received. Being share first and final call, money received on 38,000 equity share, 38,000 equity shares at rupees 3 each, at rupees 3 each. Okay. So calculate 38,000 into 3 here. 38,000 into 3 rupees. So calculate 38,000 into 3 rupees. It comes to 1,14,000. 1,14,000 debit and 1,14,000 credit. Close the bracket. Okay. Next, after cancellation, so 2000 for future journal entry we have to write. For future journal entry, that is journal entry number 7. Journal entry number 7. Okay. For future journal entry, equity share capital account debit. Equity share capital account debit. Equity share capital account debit. How many shares cancelled? 2000 share. Face value 10 rupee. Face value 10 rupee. 2000 into 10, 20,000. 2000 into 10, 20,000. So why 2000 share is cancelled? Because this installment is not paid, means these two installment is paid. These 2000 share application is received, allotment is received. So application and allotment total is how much? 7. Okay. So that 7 rupee will be transferred to one account, to forfeited shares account, to forfeited shares account, to forfeited shares account. 2000 into 7, 2000 into 7, 14,000. 2000 into 7, 14,000. Which installment is not received? First and final call. To equity share first and final call account. To equity share first and final call account. To equity share first and final call account. 2000 into 3. 2000 into 3, that comes to 6,000. This is for future entry. For future entry, narration being forfeiture of 2000 equity shares. 2000 equity shares for non-payment of first and final call money. Non-payment of first and final call money. Non-payment of first and final call money. Okay. Next, journal entry number 8. Journal entry number 8. So reissued for how much it is? 8 rupees. Okay. So bank account debit. Bank account debit. How many shares issued? 2000. So 8 rupees. 2000 into 8, 16,000. 2000 into 8, 16,000. So discount, reissue discount will be transferred to one account. So forfeited shares account debit. Forfeited shares account debit. 2000 into 2 rupees, reissue discount 2 rupees. 2000 into 2, 4,000. 2000 into 2, 4,000. 2 equity share capital account. 2 equity share capital account. 2 equity share capital account. 16,000 plus 4,000, 20,000. So this is a reissue journal entry. Bank account 8 rupees is reissued, 2 rupees is discount. Forfeited shares account. Okay. So narration being 2,000 forfeited shares were reissued. 2,000 forfeited shares were reissued at rupees 8 per share, at rupees 8 per share as fully paid up. 8 per share as fully paid up. Close the bracket. 8 per share as fully paid up, close the bracket. Okay. Journal entry number 9, money transfer to capital reserve, money transfer to capital reserve, forfeited shares account credit 14,000 is there, forfeited shares account debit 4,000 is there. So the difference amount is how much? 10,000 is transferred to capital reserve. So journal entry number 9, forfeited shares account debit, forfeited shares account debited to capital reserve account, forfeited shares account debited to capital reserve account, 10,000 debit, 10,000 credit, 10,000 debit and 10,000 credit. Narration being credit balance of forfeited shares account, credit balance of forfeited shares account transferred to capital reserve account, transfer to capital reserve account. Yes. Okay. With this, I am going to end today's session. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.